Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a portfolio with Vanguard step by step clearly. To begin configuring your portfolio with Vanguard, start by visiting the Vanguard website. If you don't have an account, click on Open an account to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your account credentials. Once your account is created, log in to your Vanguard account. Navigate to the Investing tab on the main menu. Select Buy and Sell to begin investing in your portfolio. Choose stocks, bonds, and funds to explore your investment options. You can decide to invest in mutual funds, ETFs, or individual stocks. If you're new to investing, consider using Vanguard's Portfolio Builder tool. This tool helps you create a diversified portfolio based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Input your investment goals, time horizon, and risk preference when prompted. Review the recommended asset allocation provided by the tool. You can adjust the allocation sliders to fit your preferences. After finalizing your allocation, click on Continue. Next, select the specific funds or assets you want to invest in. Vanguard will display options based on your chosen allocation. Review the details of each option, including historical performance and fees. Make your selections by checking the boxes next to the funds you wish to include in your portfolio. Once you have chosen your investments, proceed to the review order step. Confirm that your selections align with your investment strategy. If everything looks good, click on Place Order to finalize your investments. After placing your order, you will receive a confirmation of your investment. Monitor your portfolio regularly to ensure it stays aligned with your goals. Consider rebalancing your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Take advantage of Vanguard's educational resources to stay informed about investing and market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.